In this video, I will show you how to change your iPhone colors back to normal. So on the screen recording, as you can see, I have these strange colors. Actually, on my phone, my phone is black and white right now, but I don't know why the screen recording shows these colors, but they are not. So I'm gonna show you. Let me see if I can show you how this looks. So it still doesn't let me show you how it looks. But basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings, and then you're gonna have to scroll down until you see accessibility. So this one right here. So simply tap on that option, and then you're gonna have to scroll down or simply tap on display and text size. So it depends where you have this option in your settings. So it may be right here or at the top. So simply tap on display and text size, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down, and then you're gonna have to make sure that smart invert is disabled. So disable this. So this is one. Now the next one is to scroll down and then simply tap on color filters. So simply tap on this, and then you're gonna have to simply tap to disable it. So as you can see now, mine is set to grayscale. So this is why I'm seeing it black and white, even though you are not seeing black and white, but it is, trust me. So you're gonna have to simply disable this, and basically that's it. Your iPhone will turn back to normal. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.